Oh, hi. I'm Ken from Appotronics. Yeah, let me introduce AIMapper for you. Yeah, you can see this scenario is using two of our projectors as smart series, and then it's automatically mapping perfectly, which is using our AIMapper software. You can see we provide this is our screen, and we use two camera to capture the structure light here, and then we need two position and capture four because we have two cameras, so we capture each position we catch two videos, and then together, and then we can calculate and generate the 3D model on our cloud service. And here is the module we create now. Yeah, and you can see the model is exactly perfect match the structure in the real world. And also we create the projector's position exactly. Yeah. Yeah. And then since we have this 3D module, yeah, we can choose a great audience view. Yeah, we choose it at this site. Yeah, here, and then use our AI generate to generate some content. Yeah, you can see it's very perfectly match the structure. You can see the best view, because the best view we choose is here. So you can see in this side. Yeah. Yeah. And I can show you more. And also, we can generate videos. And one more. Yeah. Yeah, actually, since we have this software ability, so what you want to create is based on your prompt. So it is the easiest 3D mapping software solution for projector. Yeah, and also designers and artists will not have to consider how hard to do the 3D mapping. We just take over that. Yeah, just focus on the creation. Yeah, yes.
Do you want to show a website?
我们的那个网站在哪里 ？Appotronic.
Appotronicglobal.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, please visit our website.